Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Twisted Dandy. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off and let's draw the shape of the head with a circle. Now let's hop inside and let's draw two large ovals for the eyes. And then two more inside. And then a circle inside each of the ovals. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a small curve here for the top. Then from the sides, let's dip it down and back up. And add a curve at the ends. Then underneath, let's draw a curve across. Now inside the mouth, let's add the teeth. Let's draw two V-shaped points at the top, and then two more next to it. Now let's add four teeth up at the bottom. And that's it for the face. Now we're going to move out and we're going to draw the petals around the head. Let's start on the top left corner and let's draw a curve up and in. And the same thing from the top right, meeting at the top. Now let's do the same thing underneath. Now let's move out to the sides of the head and let's draw a curve up and then close off the petal. And the same thing on the right side. And now let's add two more petals going downwards. Now inside each of the petals, let's draw a line out from the center here. And that's it for the head. Now top underneath and let's draw the body. On the bottom left, let's draw the first arm with two small angles out. And then let's draw a large U-shaped curve for the hand. Now at the top, we're going to draw the first finger, starting with a curve. Then let's curve it out and back in. Now let's add another finger next to it like this. Now let's leave a small gap and let's draw the next finger, but we're going to curve it the opposite direction. And then one curve in between to close off the hand. Lastly, on top of the arm, let's draw an angle out from the petal and back in. Now top over to the right and let's draw the other arm. Next to the bottom right petal, let's draw an angle down and up. And then let's add two angles down like this. Now at the end, we're going to draw the hand in the same way. Let's start with a large curve that's open at the bottom. And let's add the first finger on top. Another one next to it. Then leave a small gap and let's draw one more. And then a curve in between. Now let's hop inside the arm and let's add some details. Let's draw a wavy line near the top. Then hop down and let's draw 2 curves. And add some stripes inside. Now next to the arm, let's draw 2 lines up on top and close it off. And that's it for the right arm. Now behind, let's draw the belly. Let's start next to the head here and let's draw a curve down to the arm and continue it out and up on the other side. Now under the belly, next to the head, let's draw one more angle down to connect the left arm to the body. Next, we're going to hop up to the top and let's draw a curve up to the right and bring it back down. Then on top, let's draw 2 small lines up and close it off. Now let's continue drawing the body by drawing a curve down and curve it back in. And add some stripes inside. Now near the top, let's add another curve down and curve it in. Then let's hop out, let's draw another curve and curve it in again. And then add some stripes inside. Now to continue drawing the body, let's step down from the top and let's draw a curve out and then curve it back in. Now underneath, let's draw the legs. On the bottom, let's draw a small angle out. Then let's hop in and let's draw a curve down and out like this. Now at the bottom, let's draw 2 curves going down and out. And then close off the bottom. Now let's hop over to the left and we're going to draw the other leg with 2 long curves down and out. And again, close it off at the bottom. And that's it for Twisted Dandy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!